for more than 5 years. We haven't seen this. So we must take.
We're going on 5 years, 10 years. We're going to the Drakensberg. Hey, what's the question? I want to figure out this time. See you Drakensberg, see you enjoy it. Uyabona nje ukuthi isigqoko sami yabo ukuthi mawuthenga into uloku ungayitholi ithole kwesigqoko legqoko uthi namhlanje ngiyasigqoka kade ngasithenga manje namhlanje ngithenga namhlanje is the day I'm wearing it. Yes.
Sorry guys, oh we're taking over your stupia.
Durban iyasilona iyasilibazisa yazi thina singabe sesavile phela manje sired kuzovele kubhona sesiquiet ebhasini sekhona udash avela kubuza usuwaphendulela ama-emails this morning ukuthi waphendulela ama-emails this morning
ngiyadonsa manje ngabe kunzima yazi kunzima hayi kunzima iphelelwa amanzi
hayi baphela sine-pocket man
Ntando
and le phone vele isho into yangalela uzuyizolo engiphoxa ethi ayisistando uyaphoxa kodwa ukuthi uzoshutha ngemobile
wethu Ntando isama akukho ice cream akukho
10 minutes or hour. Yeah.
Sechama stage kahle nje bese siyafika escort mhlambe ba
usafuna uku-update ama-TikTokers akho yini la
I'm not a TikToker, I'm a YouTuber. You must check out my YouTube channel. Kusho ukuthi you are not subscribed njengoba uthi ede I'm on TikTok. Wrong logo. Yes, kufuna ukuba update ukuthi se-escort we are almost there. If fun hasn't begun ngoba le bus bekithi izovele lithi asazi ke Sunday masivele ithi angisasuki
hayi soyiphusha
sekufanele sigoduke
ngoba ba-extend istay
for another 2 days
lapho ngabe sekuthiwa khiphile ebuthongo
ngathi uzokhishiswa yona i-laptop namhlanje siwakhiphe
namhlanje
check i-email check i-email
namhlanje bese bakhuluma ngalo 2030 nakhona i-hour umuntu engamsendela i-email wangayiphendula namhlanje ngifuna ayivule phambi ngoma ayiphendula ngadlala abantu
ama-follow ups siwenza face to face namhlanje
ngi-follow up email Store, you right in Drakensberg Street. Welcome on Drakensberg Street. Oh yeah. Hey, what's in ilanga? Unomfuna nekinga. Uma ukuthi imagine something. Yabona amantombazane we ufuna ukuze labo abanye basethula bangibuka. Hayi ngalalela ngalalela. Hayi ngase angijoyela. Akho abantu store bale kanjani. Kuba abanye wonke umuntu store. Why?
I can't speak.
Yes. That's why.
Come on, that's funny. Ah, this is a troublemaker in my department.
No, I'm the saint.
That's Ntando Mdletshe.
You Melta. I'm coming for my voice.
She brought her laptop with her.
I brought my laptop. All she wants is Melta. She owes you anything.
They owe me something.
Oh, my friend, you really email.
Melta, yeah.
Yeah. Is she not here?
I have amnesia. This weekend I have amnesia.
Hey, that is zombie stuff.
Hayi sifikile manje.
Ngagcina nokucheck.
Noma engafa seningahamba ngenyawo nifike lapha.
Hawu.
Kodwa yazi sikubonakala kuseduze kanti it's not.
Hawu. Namasuitcase.
Kungayinkinga ngempela.
Demnandi abafana bancane. Ngeke lokuthiwa abafana kumele baziphathe.
So I want to show you guys the house that we are in, or the chalet that we're in. Okay, first let me show you how it looks like outside. This is how, so this is where the other people are. I'm sure my thing is not gonna even do justice to how beautiful this place is. Anyway, this is the house we in. Let me just show you properly. I got disturbed because I had to get a call. This is a small little kitchen. There's like 2 rooms here. So one of my colleagues is staying there, and then the other one here. It's a bathroom here. And let me show you guys my room. I'm the only one upstairs. I don't know if I'll regret it later. But I'm cutting. So this is my room. Okay. Show you. That's my view. Okay, just ignore my stuff there that I've managed to mess up the room with. Here's my bathroom. Nothing really that special about the bathroom. Yo guys, so we came and I think I already said we had lunch and whatever, took a break, and then we had to go and do some work stuff, listen to some work presentation and stuff, and have some discussions and stuff. And now it's like around what 20 to 6. So I think lunch is between 6:30 and 7 or something, and it's tea time, so people are having some tea. I am like, Aibo, because we came at after 1 sal, and then before Siongena for the presentation there was like finger something and tea and juice. Now there's tea now. 1 hour later there's tea, and then an hour later anyway, you guys, so when I came I didn't have a jacket on. Now Gabanda, but I'm gonna go jacket and good, so I came back. I'm gonna wear my Seems Right sweater because I am very tired right now. I don't know if I'll be able to stand the last part of the presentation, so I'm hoping with this sweater is gonna give me Seems Right energy. You know how much energy Seems Right has, so I'm hoping that I'll get some of her energy. Anyway, then I'll come back. I hope right after supper I'll sneak out. If people want to stay and drink, I need time by myself. Guys, I don't know how I am, I'm not social like that. Like, I don't hate being with people, but I can't be with like a lot of people like for a long time. I need a break. I need to be on my own and talk to myself, and solve my problem all by myself. Have conversations with myself. That's just me, okay? Anyway, the quality here is so bad. Anyway, tomorrow, you guys, I'll try and show you guys the place. It's a Friday tomorrow, so we're probably gonna do a lot of work stuff, and then on Saturday we're doing some fun stuff. But you know, when you're doing fun stuff with work stuff with the work colleagues, it's like, is this really fun? Sometimes the things they think is fun is like, so I'm still wondering what fun are they thinking about it? Some things they think is fun, it's still work, but they say it's fun. So yeah, that's what tomorrow I'm gonna show you. The place is nice. Even the outside of the place is nicer than inside. It's like, when you are inside, why are you inside? It's just that right now it's so cold to be outside. I feel like I can't go around and just show you guys. I'm gonna do that. It's a beautiful place, you guys. I'm so happy. I'm seeing a lot of like black people with groups and families in this beautiful place. I like that, because sometimes you go to these places and you're like, yo, I've been in best. So yeah, guys, let me wear my Sims Right sweater so that I can feel like Sims Right and feel some energy. Go listen to the last part. Our director is presenting, financial director, and then after that go have some supper. But it's like, it's happy cocktail, so I have to eat it. I have to eat it, hey? Yeah, and then get tomorrow, you guys. I'll show you all of that. Oh, it's a beautiful place. It's Alpine Heath, guys, if you want to come here. Very nice, okay? It is a little bit expensive, but you know, when your employer is paying, who cares? All right. So I've got my Sims Right sweater, and then because it's now cold, because I had changed to my singlet, and then but I don't want to go back to wearing a deco because inya was long, but gabanda at the same time, and I didn't bring like snacks, because I just felt like it was gonna I didn't think it was gonna be this cold. So I'm doing what the guys do all the time at the mall, where they wear opaka and socks. So this is me now going to sub. Who cares about it? So I say, let me go. So a colleague of mine, I don't know what do I need in this room. A colleague of mine has asked me to bring her blankets with roommates. She's like my mother at work, you guys. I have a mother at work. I have a woman that is like my mother at work. Maybe you guys will meet her. I have like the best colleagues actually. Okay, let's see. Hopefully I don't show any of her private stuff, but I just need to get her. I know, wrong room. Wrong. I need to get her blankets. Okay. Now let me close Angela's room, because she's gonna think someone was here going through her stuff. And I forgot this is her room, and Mamgubana's room is the other side. Alright, let me show you guys their bathroom, because they're downstairs. So in this chalet there's 2 rooms downstairs and 1 room upstairs, which is mine. The one upstairs is the main bedroom. But let me show you their bathroom. This is their bathroom. Actually, I don't know, it looks a little bit like their bathroom is bigger and better than mine, but that's okay because I've got a better room. Alright, there. Let me go there. Let's go. We were given 5 minutes for tea, so I thought while they are drinking their tea, which they have drank many times since we came, I am going to go back to the room. But just showing you guys how the place is like. sure the 5 minutes is over. Well, Mina, I'm still here. Hopefully it won't last too long now. Yeah, I don't know, I'm starting to think, you know, when you're not at home as a mom now, I'm starting to think about the kids, because obviously it's in the evening now. Supper, them getting ready for bed, you know, starting to have those feelings. So is everyone okay and all of that, but we shall survive and still try and enjoy being away for a little while. Yeah, okay guys.
Monitoring aspect, how you spend the money, we get more detail and specific of it. And some of the other reasons that exist for not spending the money is first party will spend 25%, second party will spend 50%. Some of the reasons are, hold on, I have 50%, I'm only spending the third quarter. This activity only happens in the third quarter, so I can't spend 25 there. I'll spend 75 in the third quarter. So you have to keep those reasons. In the notes to those variances as to why you have such an unspent variance amount, unspent. So yeah, Andre is perfectly correct. But still.
Thank you. Akavule phela yazi. Uwavula mase kunjani amaphiko? Only when he sees a female. So where are we gonna get the female? Because we need him to. So when does a female open? No. When
Here's the question.
No.
Right, you know TV.
So when does the female do it?
It's like in nature.
Yeah.
The male gets excited, he does it.
Good morning. Today, it's on Friday, so our program is like, it's more like a working day today, because like we on a workshop thing the whole day. So we're supposed to have breakfast at 7, and it's already like 6:20, and I can't get out of bed because it's raining, and you know it's raining, you just want to stay in bed, you guys. Yo. Hey, shame ngizonikhombisa ukuthi bengiphetheni impahla. Hey, is it not me trying to be itshitshi ngiphethe ama-shorts, yabona ama-2-piece, but ama-short. I only brought like 2 pairs of jeans, and yes, on second thoughts, and before I closed the suitcase, I'm like, let me put these tracksuits that I thought ukuthi ngiyobuya ngigqokile if kuyabanda, you know, and not even my best tracksuits, and I'm like, okay, let me put this in. But ngiphethe my jeans ayi-2, and then like these 2 pieces that are like shorts and top. Ngoba I'm just thinking ngizobe ngithi ngijikiza kamnandi phela la. Drakensberg. Kuphi khona ngoba kuyanetha. Where is the chicken? Yabona uma Drakensberg mavele ukuthi I-winter noma kuyisummer. So at least today I've got that tracksuit, and then I brought one big jacket. Nakona I was like, okay, let me bring it. I so wish I brought my boots, yes, and the reason I didn't bring any of my boots is because I feel like Jwali is calm, and I was trying to pack light today, but again, I do have amategu, and yeah, you guys, I need to wake up, take a bath, and be ready to start the day. And I thought I was gonna do one video before I'm not even good in cartel. I just don't want to get up. Ooh, yeah. I want to show you guys how miserable. Well, it's not miserable if you like the rain. For somebody that likes imvula. Mina nje vele, I don't like the rain. It makes me miserable. I have bad childhood memories when it comes to the rain, so imvula nje ngithanda. I prefer being in the house and not going anywhere when it's raining. But yeah, here it is. This is my view outside my window. Look how wet it is. And yeah, out of all the weekend, it's this weekend. Oh, what a nice sight, Shem. There's horses there. I don't know if you can see. This is a horse here. That's another one. Amahasha wayisabeni imvula. Kusho ukuthi nje alala nje emvuleni. Hey. Are we human beings the only creatures that really try and get away from the rain? And look how nice it is to be a horse, guys. Why did I come as a there's more horses. Just chilling in the rain, guys. Not only is it raining, Pella, it's cold. This is the Drakensberg, so when it rains, it's cold, even though it is in summer. Is it summer or still spring? Spring begins in September, October, November. Oh, okay. Oh, we're still end of spring. Yes, you guys, but I didn't know what the horses just don't mind the rain. They just chill in the rain. They're eating their breakfast while I am scared to get out of bed and go have my breakfast. But you guys, look at that. Like the landscape, it's amazing. Apparently we're supposed to like hike at some point to the other side. And how am I going to show you this place now? Because I was supposed to go around and show you this place. Hey guys. Niyobuka lokho kubukekayo ngoba niyabona ngani? Niyabona nje uthi kushubile la. Anyway, let me take it back, guys. Maybe I can do one video for you guys before I go. I see something that came out about Real Housewives of Joburg. I'm so excited because it's like they're coming with like totally new cast. I'm so excited about that because I'm so over all of the ladies. I'm gonna miss Crystal, but I'm excited about the other ladies. She's not coming back. Just get new people, okay? Yeah, so I'll see if I can do that one video. And I did one Ntando Mdletshe last night, and then I think you guys will be watching that while we're working today. Anyway, good morning, people. Okay, but this is a nice place, you guys. Alpine Heath. Please go and look at the pictures. It's exactly like the pictures that are online. Like exactly, it looks even better. Looks even better. So just check it out. Alpine Heath, Drakensberg. Alright then. So this is what I'm talking about, you guys. This is like a two-piece it's like a short. I thought this one I was gonna wait when we go to the pool, and because I wasn't gonna swim. I don't really swim. I just go and sit and put my feet. This is another one. This is also a short and the top. Hey, I thought you change. Okay, these are t-shirts because I brought jeans. Oh yes, this is another. Yo, this is another short. I thought it was all chiquiza. I brought another short. So those I've worn. The top there I was wearing yesterday also. So yeah, so I guess I do not have a choice. I'll have to wear this t-shirt under, and then I'll just wear this brown jacket and a pajama. Because hey, I'm Zwan Namakas. Yeah, you guys. The first time I came to Drakensberg, it was October, yes, with our friends. I remember that trip. The way it was so hot. So there was the first time I came to Drakensberg, and then the second time is the other one I vlogged, which we were coming with the housing department, because now we're here with the finance department. And obviously when we came with the housing, it was winter, so it was understandable. We had packed books and everything. We exaggerated, in fact. So now it's like, okay, I was like, okay, we went in October, it was all hot, so it must be the same because it's November. Hey, wait, man. Let me take a bath, you guys. Morning, everybody. It's Saturday today. Okay, it's around 6 in the morning. I'm not ready to wake up, you guys. If I have to miss breakfast, I will today, but I wanted to show you guys how the morning looks like today, especially since it's not raining like it was yesterday. Look at that view, you guys. Beautiful. I'm tired. Not that I'm tired, I'm just wanting to stay in bed. I wanted to stay in bed today, but I also don't want to miss the activities. Like I think we're going to be doing some games and stuff, so I'll probably go for that. I don't know, guys. I think what I hate about going to these places and taking the catering option is the fact that there's no horses today. Okay, it's the fact that there is meal times, and in this place they don't allow you to take the food out, because we asked yesterday. Most of us, even when we were having supper yesterday, we were like, but we're still full, can you just take the food? And they wouldn't. But the way that the chalets are set up, there's a stove and the fridge and everything, so you can actually cater yourself being out here. So if I came here like with my family or with my friends, and I would definitely take the option of bringing our own food to this place, because their food is not that amazing. It's okay, but it's not that amazing. Like you could cook something better than that. So yeah, guys, it's a good morning. Good morning. Listen, I need to look at YouTube because I saw that Musa Kaola posted his first video. Let me tell you something, okay? We need to look at that video and review it honestly, okay? But yeah, guys, this is how beautiful it looks outside my window. Alright, let me just rest a bit and think if I'm gonna go have this breakfast and then get ready for the day. I'm so glad that it's not raining today. Okay, people, have a good morning. So I decided to come for breakfast. Finally, I got there, ate, and anyway, a lot of people were late anyway. So we had breakfast and then had a little bit of discussion relating to work, and then now the nice thing was that the sun is out today, so we were able to take some nice photos. And then yeah, but seyashintsha futhi weather, sekunomoya, it's very windy njengamanje. So now I wanna go put on amateku, because there is some activity that we're going to do, but amazing race. Hey, meaning what we will be running. Do these people see us? Hey, do they understand? Hey, angazi maybe abasizwa siphefumulela phezulu, but we're gonna do that amazing race challenge, and then I don't know. I don't even know when we're going for hiking, but yeah. That's what we're gonna do. So I'm just going back to my room to get Amadeo, and then we're going back. It's our amazing race. Yo, I ran, and my team won. I'm never in the winning team when it comes to like physical stuff. I'm eating our marshmallows, but today I was in a winning team. Anyway, I lost my hat. Now I'm going to look for it and go to the sack shop while we're waiting to do the next activity. But let me show you what is buya kanjani la. I will show you what is ziya buya. Ayangez. So buyangisa. Benzani phezulu? Angena ngale.
I'm so okay, alright, you know what? This is just a teaser, you know? A teaser. We're teasing you. Tonight we got a party. Guys, tonight we got a party at the bar. From 9 p.m. until Mama calls. Alright. Until Mama calls.
Niyabona ukuthi people are having fun.
Number 15, are you ready? Number 15, here we go.
Finally, siya hike. Obviously ngisemuva because bengiyolanda i-umbrella and a sweater because weather iyashintsha. Yo, iyanyuka le ndaba. But let's see ukuthi hamba kanjani. Nangu noThobe ngathi uyadoubt. Sunday, just before we check out, and I wanted to take like just a short walk before Sunday. And now we are being rushed to go check out. I didn't have breakfast because I wanted to wake up late and just chill. But they wouldn't let us do it. We must come and have a quick meeting before Sambe. I'm like, why? Why? You know? There is so much of this place that I did not get to show. Beautiful places. Because, of course, like we were so busy with work stuff. But it's quite beautiful. It is, you guys. I love it. I love the feeling. It relaxes you. And the chalets are so far apart that you don't get disturbed by what other people are getting up to. So it's really great. Yeah, so I'm gonna go take my stuff, go and check out, and maybe we'll take some photos, and then we shall head home. Okay? Because I'm missing the kids now, and the father too. Okay? I am. But it was fun. It was really fun being here. Definitely consider coming, whether with the family, with friends. And the nice thing about this place is that, unlike other places, it accommodates in a sense that, you know, these places sometimes they will be quiet and we can't have fun without making a bit of noise, you know. But here there are places where people can make a bit of noise, and they actually help you to make some noise. They play music for you and all of that. So I like that. So you don't feel like as a black person you're out of place, because everything you do they're like shh, you know. So yeah, I like that. I like it. So people were by the pool, they were dancing, the DJ was playing music, you know. You feel like, okay, umhlaba wo baba nathi asikho out of place. Yeah, so mama, wavela wahlala phansi. Ubaba kuzokufonela manje. How much is? Kodwa hayibo. Manje ngiyageza ngiyalunga. Hayibo ifone iyaringa at the same time. Ngithatha masukhesa umama ngoba ngithathela. Oh, uyisizile yazi. Because it makes life so easy. Bese ngiqedile phela. Wangiphazamisa ke wathi wozani. Let's just close these suitcases and these bags and we go. I don't need to sweat. Oh, there's the thing that breaks the glass. I was looking for it the last time.